Okay, so for the Cookie Lab, you have your reference sheet on this side, your recipe on this side, and your calculations on this side. Both this side and this side need to be completed for tomorrow in order to participate in the Cookie Lab. Okay, so let's look at your recipe. It has it all in moles, and you need to convert it to everyday measurements that you use to make cookies. So for the first one, it's 1.33 moles of flour. So for your calculations, you write flour for the ingredient, and then you start with the given, which is 1.33 moles of flour. Okay, we want to get rid of moles of flour in our answer, so we're going to write moles of flour on the bottom. We're going to go to grams of flour, but what is flour? Flour is C4H8O4. That will help us calculate our molar mass. So grams of C4H8O4 times, we want to get rid of that in our answer, so we're going to put grams of C4H8O4 on the bottom, and then go to our unit of measurement, which is cups of flour. So put cups of C4H8O4 here. Okay, so now we just need to fill in our numbers. In 1 mole, there are how many grams? Well, that's part of the molar mass. And if you don't remember molar mass, remember you just have to look up the atomic mass on the periodic table. So there are 4 carbons, which means there's 4 times 12. And there are 8 hydrogens, which really means 8 times 1. And there are 4 oxygens, which really means 4 times 16. Okay, you're going to add those together. Make sure you do this on a separate piece of paper so this doesn't get in the way. You're going to add those together and you get 120 grams of flour. The last step is you go to your unit conversions. So in 1 cup, there are how many grams of flour? It's not something you need to memorize. It tells you in 1 cup of flour, there's 141.95 grams. So 141.95 grams. The last step is to multiply that out. So 1.33 times 120 divided by 141.95, and you get 1.12 cups. Okay, now you just need to go to your front and write 1.12 cups. Okay, how do you find the grams part? That's easy, you already did it. Okay, you just need to find the grams, which is 1.33 times 120. 33 times 120. So there's 159.6 grams. And you're going to repeat that for each item on your recipe card. So for the next one, it's baking soda. So you just go to the back, write baking soda, and do your conversions for baking soda.